Alright. We've got us a Radiolink 2.4 gigahertz RC6GS 6-channel TX and RX. We're going to do a quick instructional video on how to mix 2 channels to get a tracked mobile with 2 drive motors, one for each track, linked into this and controlled. And I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it'll provide some good information. Remember, go to Radiolink website and download the items needed for the manuals and the mixing manuals, and also the programming for the Radiolink controllers. Go through the interface of mixing channels for a track dual motored vehicle and controls. And of course we've got the programmable dual mix control manual downloaded. It's a PDF format. We're going to go through this, and it takes you RC6GS as display. Now when you first receive this, before you download the upgrade firmware, it will not have these features. Okay, very important to do all this configuring on your new RC6GS from Radiolink. Make sure that you have a good cable for USB connection to your system. It will pop up to format your radio, as you can see here on the screen. Just go to Radiolink and go to the firmware upgrade guidance area on your computer and read this. It will tell you exactly how to go about installing the new software. And once you install this new software, this area here is very important. You must format your extra disk, because it should come up as an extra disk. And when it does, then you'll format it. After you format it, you copy the file that you've downloaded, and then you'll come up with this on your display for your controls. And you'll see that it has this PMI or PMI XO1 and PMI XO2. Previously it was just a PM interface there. So okay, on our first attempt we was with the version 6, so I reformatted the system on the computer, or with the computer, and downloaded the version 5 on, and now we have full function on both of the mix channels. So now we're back into the manual. 6-channel radio control system. We've got master and slave on the PMI or PMix 02, and of course we will turn it on, which we've turned it on, and we will go here. It says to go left at a negative, and so we will do left at a negative 100, which you just push and hold a decline until it hits 100, and it'll let you know when it's maxed out. right there. Hit enter. We'll scroll down and we'll hit enter, and we will do the right at -100. Hit enter. We will scroll over, and this MST, which is the master, will be steering. Okay, and which is good, ST. And this one here needs to say TH, or as in throttle. So we will switch it over to TH, and it will be throttle. And there we go. That part of it is programmed in. Now the whole thing should work with your tracked vehicles and having 2 motors, one for each track, to where you can go forward and reverse and steer left and right. If you have any other issues about that part of it, you'll just have to go through and maybe put your reverse switches to normal on your throttle, or your reverse switch to normal on your steering. But it's a pretty simple program to follow, and as long as you download the right upgrade file to your system, making sure that you have a link cable compatible to carry that, it will identify the radio, the transmitter, as an extra drive. It will ask you to format it, and of course you say yes, format it under Windows FAT32 system. And with this Windows 7 program that I'm using, and then of course with the Windows 10 or Windows 8 programs, you will download the other files that you would need to format and plug into the system, and it works very well. I can highly recommend Radiolink systems to whoever needs them for boats or planes, track tanks, or construction vehicles. This part of it is for the dual motor track vehicles, which would be tanks or other items that's got dual tracks only with no steering servo, just running 2 separate motors for your steering and your tracks. Thanks for watching, and have a great day at it. Enjoy yourselves and have fun lapping, playing, and RCing. Peace out.